Nitin straight. Nitin, really nice to see you in this movie and looking forward to your action sequences. You know, while we have talent from the West coming to India and in our movies here, we do have our actors making it big there in the West, like Priyanka Chopra and Deepika Padukone. Have you seen their work? What do you make of our actors making it big there in Hollywood?
I think it's awesome. Working with these actors here, I feed off, if the better the actor I'm with, the better I become, you know. So it was really a great pleasure working with the, you know, Bollywood actors. They're top notch, in my opinion, and it made my job much easier.
Also, when you walked in, we saw you checking Tiger's 6-packs.
Yeah.
Can we see your 12-packs?
No. I can't compete. Only the biceps.
So can we see that, maybe?
Biceps.
Yeah.
Oh!
I'm going to show. Look out here. Look at as big as his head.
Oh!
I have to get undressed.
All right, last two questions, please. Last two questions.
Jacqueline is Sunil Low, right from.
Yes,
Yeah.
hi.
आपने फ्लाइंग जेट की ये सुपरमैन की है आपके ये फिल्म करने के बाद या करने के साथ आपके मन में भी ऐसी फीलिंग आती कि आप भी किसी दिन सुपर वुमन वाला कोई फिल्म लीड रोल में करें?
Can I come kiss you?
What do you think? Sometime?
If that does happen, I would think that Remo D'Souza would be the best director for that. So, and I do wish that happens. I do wish that happens.
Hi, this is Ravi Kumar. Hi.
This question for Tiger. Tiger, after doing this film, ऐसा लगता है कि आपकी जो audiences में या fans में kids की तादाद बढ़ने वाली है. ऐसा आप मानते हैं? सुपरमैन करने के बाद?
जी शायद सही कह रहे हैं आप. हालांकि किस्मत अच्छी है मेरी सर, क्योंकि मेरी पहली पिक्चर से आई हैव बीन वेरी लकी टू हैव अ फॉलोइंग विद द चिल्ड्रन एंड शायद क्योंकि द थिंग्स आई डू they find that appealing and they already feel I'm some sort of a superhero. और जितने भी पिक्चर्स किए मैंने काफ़ी नोबल कैरेक्टर्स प्ले किए, बहुत सिंपल नॉर्मल रोल्स. And I think the superhero role, I think it was a dream role for me. And like I, keep thanking Remo sir, I'm most happy about this role thus far in my life. So thank you again, Remo sir.
Hi,
Remo sir.
Remo sir.
Excuse me one second.
Yeah.
I'd like to say something about Tiger. I have made so many movies. I think he's being extremely modest here. But I haven't had so many teeny boppers be excited about my work except for when I'm working with Tiger. I've had like a list of children who want to meet Tiger. So I think he's already very popular with kids.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi Tiger, this is Ravi
टाइगर
Kumar. Tiger,
आपसे सवाल है कि मुन्ना
Hello?
माइकल को लेकर एक एफआईआर दर्ज हुई है आपके भी नाम पर. क्या कहना चाहेंगे? किस तरह का है कृतिक ने आपके ऊपर? और जी
सॉरी मैम, किन से बात कर रहे हो आप?
जी आपसे टाइगर. हाँ,
क्या सवाल क्या?
हाल ही के दिनों में आपके ऊपर एक एफआईआर दर्ज हुई है. कृतिक ने ये आरोप लगाया कि मुन्ना माइकल की स्क्रिप्ट चुराई गई है, स्टील की गई हुई है. क्या कहेंगे कि आपको पता है इस बारे में और क्या पूरा इशू था ये?
जी बिल्कुल पता है मैम. आई थिंक अभी फ़िलहाल हम फ्लाइंग जेट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, बट हकीकत ये है कि आई एम नॉट अ थीफ, आई डोंट लाई, आई एम नॉट अ चीटर, आई ऑलवेज विन फेयर एंड स्क्वायर.
Tiger,
All right, one last question, please. One last question.
Tiger, 29 जुलाई को इंटरनेशनल टाइगर डे है. हम चाहते हाय दिस सामने इंटरनेशनल टाइगर डे है. हम चाहते हैं कि एक टाइगर दूसरे टाइगर्स के बारे में कुछ कहे. हमारे देश में टाइगर्स की तादाद वैसे काफी कम है. So what would you say?
Great question.
That's a fantastic question. I think for instance, it's sad that tigers are coming close to extinction. They're an endangered species, and सबसे पहले तो tiger हमारी national animal है, so we should really respect them and take care of them. I've adopted a tiger a long time ago, namely Tigress actually, और वो मेरी पहली girlfriend है, तो so I take care of her.
Tiger,
Just one last question from this side.
hello.
I've only seen a couple of Bollywood movies, but they were romance. It wasn't my style. I wanted action. Yeah. Some girls were watching the Bollywood movies, and they liked them because there were a lot of romance. And I was just sitting there in the background, just But I wasn't really getting into it because they were romance movies. I'm an action guy, you know.
You're so good at romance.
I like I don't mind romance, but as long as it's got the action and everything else and the boy stuff.
Come here, cutie.
All right. So
Come
thank
here,
you so much,
pretty.
ladies and gentlemen. We move towards the photo op. And there's a surprise for all of you in the end.